Use the start key to turn on the screen. You will see the screen icons flashing. Do not proceed until the screen stops flashing. Push the direction lever to select forward. Set the gear to first for brush and squeegee mode. Wait for the screen icons to stop flashing before starting the machine. LED headlight. Adjust the water flow. Press the accelerator pedal. Turn the gear to brush mode. The brush icon will flash red until it stops before operating the machine. The dual brushes lower automatically and begin working. Rotate the knob to select squeegee mode. The squeegee icon will flash red until it stops before operating the machine. The squeegee lowers automatically. Watch more. Subscribe now.